Ready to unlock the secret to mind-blowing animations and visual effects in Alight Motion? First, import your media, whether it's an image, video, or shape, into your Alight Motion project and select the layer in the timeline that you want to animate. Keyframes are like checkpoints that tell your object where to be at a specific time, giving the movement to your visuals in the editor. Move the playhead position along the timeline to where you want to begin your animation. Then tap on the Move and Transform option and then tap the diamond icon next to the property you want to animate, like position, scale, or rotation. This sets your first keyframe. Now, move the playhead to a different point in the timeline. Adjust the property. For example, change the object's position by dragging it on the screen. Alight Motion automatically creates a second keyframe at this new position. The app understands that you want the object to move between these two keyframes. Want smoother movement? Dive into the graph editor. Experiment with easing curves to control the animation speed and create dynamic, visually appealing results to perfect your designs. And that's it. Create complex animations by adding more keyframes and adjusting properties along the timeline. This gives you ultimate control over your videos, transforming them into stunning visual stories.